Oh, there's our turkey in there. Dagny's gonna take it out. Okay, go ahead. Oh. That's a 16-pound turkey.
12.
Huh?
12.
12. That's right. The NuWave takes a 16 can.
Okay, there it goes. Now we're gonna let it drain good, and I'm gonna pat it dry from the brine, and it'll rest a little bit before it goes in the NuWave oven.
Yeah, it's been hard work for us sitting in that salty brine with apples and brown sugar and good stuff.
Spices, yes.
And then it will be going into that.
Okay, we're back. We're getting the turkey ready to go. It's seasoned up. I'm gonna let it sit till it's really to room temperature and before I start it. But we're putting some onion inside to cook for the onion queen. There. Okay, in the NuWave, you start them breast side down. So I have it all rubbed up with seasoning, and it just swings over here and sits so nice without the wings bent.
We discovered today, looking too, that there's all kinds of different NuWaves.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you lost the onion.
Lost an onion? It's okay.
They're falling out.
Runaway onion. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's all I gotta do. Bring up that extra flap of skin. Make sure it gets good and crispy in the cooking. So, yes, we have a NuWave Elite. A little more control.
A whole lot more control. Temperatures, you name it.
Mm-hmm. Stage cooking, dehydration.
Huh. Sorry about that. We can set the cook temp, the cook time. I mean,
Multiple
we've just spent an
wraps.
hour on YouTube looking for recipes and stuff. They don't have anything like this. So, we are doing it. What else?
Okay, I'm putting a 3-in extender ring on here. That'll sit like that. That gives me a little more room. Keep the turkey away from the heating element. Add that, and there you have it. And we will come back when we are ready to start it. And so we show you how simple it is. And thank you for watching.
And I think while Dagny's gone to New Mexico, I'll have to refer to my own video to figure out how to use it. Because I never use it. Just like the vacuum sealer. I almost said document sealer. Okay. I don't know how to use that. Okay. Okay. We're ready for cooking.
Cooking time. So turkey's been sitting. It's been seasoned up. We tried a new special seasoning called za'atar, and some garlic and some salt. Anyhow, it's been sitting. I am really impressed with this turkey. It's a butterball, and I usually buy honeysuckle whites. The skin was perfectly intact, no tears, covered everything, and fit really well. So I have a 12.5-pound turkey, actually 12.65. So I will be cooking this for a total of 114 minutes. So
14.
114. At halfway through, I will be turning it over, and we will come back and see that. I can't wait. So here's the ring, the extender ring. Here's the dome.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah. And power head. Okay, plug it in. Give it some juice. Cook temp, 375 degrees. Cook time is going to be 57 minutes. And start. And I will check it at about 30 minutes and make sure it's not getting too brown. If it starts to brown too much, I will cover the turkey with some parchment paper. You can use parchment or foil.
Well, we are now ready to turn it over. This is what it looks like.
What? Okay.
Brilliant. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, and Dagny's gonna turn it over. Okay.
Okay. Catch those onions.
And she just sprinkled on some more seasoning.
Use it.
Looks kind of weird, but it will look beautiful shortly.
Yes, it
This
will.
is sure an easier way to cook than in the oven, isn't it?
Definitely. Okay.
Dinner is ready. And beautiful. Dagny. Gorgeous.
We did a great job.
Gorgeous.